Alright guys, we're down here in Crystal River, Florida. It's about an hour north of Tampa. We're in the kayaks drifting with the wind, so we're going to have to keep paddling. But basically, it's a spring system was what it is. It's Three Sisters Spring, and then there's the main spring. And it's crystal clear water flowing out 72 degrees all year round. So basically, it's freshwater, but it's also saltwater because it feeds into the ocean, and the ocean water comes in. And there's bass and saltwater fish also. They have big catches of redfish, big catches of trout, some snook been showing up. There's a lot of stuff in here. There's resident tarpon, there's some jack crevalle. I mean, there's really everything. So what we're gonna try to do is we're gonna try our hardest in kayaks to fish this place effectively, catch a lot of fish, and get some awesome footage for you. So basically, it's gonna be canal fishing most of the time. Sometimes there's gonna be some reefs, not reefs, flats in it. Sometimes there's going to be some oyster shells, sometimes it's going to be marsh fishing, you know, in the channels and creeks and everything, but most of the time we're going to be on in these little canals, fishing artificials. I got top waters, I got these little VMC jigs, I mean, we got butter beans, all kinds of stuff. And we're going to be just fishing this whole area extensively and trying to catch some quality fish on camera for you guys. I got 2 cameras, I got both hat cams lined up. We're going to get underwater footage in the springs, and it should just be a great overall trip. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned, guys. Well, no, it's coming in a little bit. I want to fill it a bit. Ooh, ooh. Someone went for it. Quiver spoon. By Word Jensen, I believe. I think it's by Word Jensen. Yeah, it's they're pretty much schooling on these little docks. And we can just hop right in here with a small bait, using a grub earlier, caught a little bit of a jack and a couple snappers. And no videos of those, but basically it's just constant action. Little snapper. Fun fish. We're going to try to get some more. Alright, another one of these little snappers. Really nice looking fish. Matter of fact, they look really good. They got a nice tints of blue and green on the same bone quiver spoon, so this is kind of non-stop hot action. We're gonna fish this a little with it, so it's fun. We'll get back with you. Okay, so we got a bass, about a dink, but like a pounder, in the same dock. We're catching snappers and bass, same bait, same dock. Crazy. Still swimming. Just caught a little snapper again. Same size, same bait. Next cast after that bass. I get this out real quick.
When you get rid of this one, can I try?
There he goes.
Here, can I try?
Alright guys, we're out on Kings Bay, Crystal River, Florida. And we're in a pod of rolling tarpon. Oh yeah? Tarpon right there, there's one over there. Tarpon everywhere. There's one. One right in front of that boat. There's one way up there. See, they're everywhere in this whole area. Let me get that to focus for you. I don't know if you can see that, but basically there's tarpon everywhere. There's one coming up over there. Just saw the big head of that one. That one must have been at least over 100. And we're throwing bucktail jigs. We're trying. We have no live bait, but we're trying to make it work as well as we can. Throwing big 7-inch flukes below the school. We don't know. We're gonna try, but we'll see. Either way, we got good rolling footage on these fish. Here's one. Dad, he's not. You ever put a big circle hook in them?
Huh?
You ever put a big circle hook in those?
No. Remember I used to rod, I take the eyes out and tie the line on it,
Yeah.
toss it out.
They'll,
Whenever they get it, they break the line.
Yeah.
And take off.
yeah. Yep. Good move.
I usually keep anybody comes in here when I got them in here.
Yeah.
I roll the hell out of them.
Yeah. Good.
I like them in here fishing on my fish.
Yeah.
Be like catching them in a barrel. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Yeah. Really.
So it used to be sweet. Tell them to go out there in the bay and go catch them.
You just went right by. How do you not see that? Yeah, he might have.
Tarpon. Big ol'. How big you think he is? 150? 100?
I got some in here that go about 250.
Good lord.
Rick's been feeding it for years.
Oh, I'm surprised that
He's
one
below.
got it.
Oh. He's down there. He's gone.
It's a deep one. There's like 20 of them in here.
Yeah,
And then
he's
they
just
go
crude.
feeding them. Oh my God, it's a
This is a-
unbelievable.
Alright, we're still out here a little bit farther down. It's the same little canal system we've been fishing. Tarpon everywhere. Still can't catch one of them. Zach hooked up with one tarpon on a jerk minnow, rigged with a weighted hook. Fishing in the school, but nothing else. He hooked up, ran a little bit, and dropped it. They're rolling everywhere. Big heads just rolling right next to my boat. These are big resident tarpon. These aren't migratory fish. Crystal River has a resident tarpon population. And I'm guessing they're all hanging out here because there's a big old ball of ladyfish right over there by that dock, just balling up. It's schooling up, and I guess I'd gotta say that's why they're here. Tarpon over there. Alright guys, another dockfish, a nice mangrove snapper, on a little DOA, or not a DOA, mirror lure, switch bait. It's like almost 3 inches long, little suspending guy, but there it is, nice little snapper off these docks. We'll get back with you. Another little snapper. Good coloration on these fish. I like these fish. They look real nice. Dock fishing, guys. They're on fire.